Hi viewers, in this video you will learn regarding font formatting. I prepared 3 formatting settings here: font, alignment and number. In this video you will learn regarding font formatting. So first you have to go in menu bar. First you have to press home button, because regarding formatting settings mostly all commands related to formatting in home button. So just press home button, and here you see the second box related to font. So I will discuss one by one. The first thing is bold. If I want to bold our text, so just you have to press B one time, become bold. You can use short key also from keyboard, Control plus B. I will press from my keyboard Control plus B. See, back to normal. So if bold, become bold like that. Just take example, any text you are right here. You want to bold your text, so just bold. Back to normal, just press again here, B. The second one is italic. For italic style on your text, just use second option I. Just press one time here, so this one become italic style. Back to normal, so just press again same, become normal. So if you can use also shortcut key regarding italic, just Control plus I. Back to normal, just Control plus I from keyboard. If you want to text underline, so just use this option. So press on this option U one time, the text become underline, and then press again here, become normal. So you can use also short key from your keyboard. Just press Control plus U. Back to normal, just Control plus U. And the fourth option is font size. If you want to increase your font size, so just go to this option, this left A and right A. When you press on the left A, so text going to increase like that, and when you press right A, becomes small. For increase and decrease your size of text, use these options. And also you can use this number option, font size 14, 16, 18, 20, anyone. When you press, so become like that, font size. So back to normal, just you can decrease from here, from here, and you can use also this option. Line, normally size of text is 11. The fifth option is double underline. If you want to double underline your text, so just go to this option, use same but there right arrow, just press, dialog box is coming, so just choose double underline T, double underline option. Just press one time here, your text under double line. This one normally used in that for the total, means some calculations, and when you will do some total values, so just use this double underline option. If you remove this one, so just go again there and click again same option. This one become back to normal. The next is sixth option, font color. If you want to change the font color, so just you have to use this option A. In the dialog box, so many colors, you can choose anyone from here, and also you can choose color from here, more option, any mixed color you can take also. Okay, and if you want from here, so here any color you can choose for your text. The next option is background color. If you want to change the background color of cell, so just you have to go this option, open dialog box, and there are so many colors. Choose anyone which you want for your cell, like that. And same, you change the font color because this is not a visible font, so you can change the font from here, become white. See, it's easily visible. The eighth option is just change the style of your font. Here different style, Arial black, Arial narrow, anyone you can choose from here. Here I will choose any other one, means this one, like that. Here so many options, any style you can use for your text, like that. The next option is word art. In the word art, you have to go insert option from here, and there is a text option. Just open dialog box, and you have to use word art from here. Any type of word art you can select from here. I will choose this one. So here you can edit your text which you want, just right here. For example, I prepare income statement, so just I have to means put on the top of the income statement, like that. Use this option. And also I can rotate this one, move anywhere where you want, just paste, and you can rotate also this text, like that. And you can change the color also of your text. Just select and right click, use this option, font color. Just open here and choose any color which you want, for example green, like that. You can edit the color also, and rotation, and move anywhere. For delete, just you have to put the delete button from your keyboard. This one, deleted. Header and footer. So how I will put header and footer? So just go same option, insert, and a text dialog box, just choose header and footer option. So here you can put header. Already I mentioned here, you can change also from here, but I put advanced MS Excel tutorial. When you print, control P, so just check here, this header is coming here on the top. Next option is text box. If you want text box art, so just you have to go insert, same a text, and use text box. In this box you can put any text. Like that you can edit and you can move anywhere where you want, just paste there. And you can change the size, means from here just select text and go right click, and from here bold, italic, underline, any option you can use. Which one I discuss here, all thing is there. You can edit from here. Different colors you can choose for your text, like that. This is not visible, I will take any other color, and also increase the text for more visible, and choose any other color, like that. Same, you can rotate also this text. For delete, just press delete button from your keyboard. The next option is signature line. If any document like invoice and some official document, so you have to make the place for signature, and you have to mention your designation and your name. So how to choose your this signature line option? Just go to insert option and use a text same, and here signature line, press here. So in the first, just put your name. In the second, you have to put your designation. Allow the signer to add comments in the sign dialog. So here you can choose any option which you want. That's okay. So this box is coming. So this box is came, and you can move anywhere where you want, just paste there for sign. For remove, just you have to put the delete button from your keyboard for delete. That's it in this video. If you like my video, so please share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more learning regarding MS Excel and other office automation softwares. Thanks for watching.